The Wheel Loader National Certificate, too, offers comprehensive training and certification for individuals seeking expertise in operating wheel loaders, heavy equipment used in construction, mining, and various industrial applications. This certification program equips participants with essential skills in machine operation, safety protocols, maintenance procedures, and efficient handling of the equipment. The knowledge and hands-on experience gained through this certification are highly valuable not only within the domestic industry but also internationally. The principles and practices taught in the program adhere to global standards, making the Wheel Loader National Certificate to applicable and recognized abroad. The National Certificate to in Wheel Loader Operations is a comprehensive training program designed to equip individuals with the necessary skills and knowledge to operate wheel loaders proficiently and safely. This certification is tailored for individuals aiming to pursue a career in the construction, mining, or heavy machinery industry. Participants in this program learn essential aspects of wheel loader operation, including equipment controls, maneuvering techniques, loading and unloading procedures, and safety protocols. The curriculum of the National Certificate program covers both theoretical and practical components. The theoretical aspect delves into topics such as equipment specifications, maintenance basics, safety regulations, and environmental considerations. On the practical side, participants gain hands-on experience through simulator exercises and actual operation of wheel loaders under the guidance of experienced trainers. One of the notable features of the National Certificate, too, in wheel loader operations is its recognition on an international level. The skills and competencies acquired through this certification adhere to global industry standards, allowing certified individuals to seamlessly transfer their expertise to various job opportunities abroad. This aspect is particularly valuable in industries where heavy machinery operation is a crucial component of operations. Upon successful completion of the program, graduates receive a nationally recognized certificate that validates their proficiency in wheel loader operations. This certification not only enhances their employability but also signifies their commitment to safety, efficiency,
what's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world and keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Flying, get on board. We're soaring. Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart to slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart to slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning our wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. This life is all, this life is all. I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. Even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart to slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. At 29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you, I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be your man. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
Para updated ka sa ating YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Bang!